Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video we are going to do another trendy bag review for this Longchamp mini pouch with handle. If you're on TikTok, you probably see this bag here and there, but let me tell you, this bag's been very popular. It's been viral. I see many people transform this mini pouch into the crossbody bag, which I think that is a very smart idea. Whoever thought about that first, very genius. And today's I am going to give you guys an honest review for this bag. I'm so happy that I got a hand on this bag to show you guys like the feature and what fit inside. And if you are interested in this bag, I hope you find this video helpful. And yeah, let's just get right into the feature of this bag, because I want to show you more details about this bag a little bit. This pouch is actually the same style with the original one that we all know. That bag is one of my most favorite travel bag. I usually use that bag everywhere whenever I go out on trip, and I think that is the most convenient bag that I have and very durable. It's made with recycled canvas and it's water resistant. It's very good for everyday bag. But yeah, let me show you the closer look of this bag. Very cute. There's still tag right here. That's how the bag looks. I got this in black. I love combinations of these two colors, the black and the leather. It just gives a very good complement to each other. The canvas feel very nice. They are available in different colors, so if you are interested, you can check them out. And also this bag comes inside this packaging, which I think this is the cutest. You definitely can have this as a gift. It is the green paper packaging that has a little bow right here. You probably see this on my unboxings, but yeah, it has a very good wrap here, perfect for gifting. So just throw an idea. There is nothing special inside this bag. It's just one compartment pouch, but I think it's carry a lot of stuff, and I will show you what fits inside in a bit. There is a little round plastic for the button, and except that there is nothing inside. When I saw this tiny pouch, I couldn't imagine what could fit inside. However, this bag surprised me, so we will see what fit inside. Here I have my essential. We'll see if this gonna fit inside this little bag. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna go with the wallet. This is my everyday wallet. It is the YSL envelope wallet, and it's pretty chunky, to be honest. We'll see. Okay, the wallet gets in. Next, I'm gonna go with my lip balm and lipstick Dior, hand sanitizer, my car key, my pen and highlighter. Ooh. Okay, here is how it looks so far. I don't think it could fit my 14 Pro Max because of my chunky little wallet, but if I take the wallet out, it could fit my phone. The wallet itself pretty take too much space, but let's see if I take wallets out, if I can fit the phone inside. The iPhone 14 Pro Max definitely fit inside. Definitely still have space for the other stuff. I believe we can put some more of the card holder, and that should be fine as well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm surprised what could fit inside. It's more than what I expected. Like, look at how tiny of this bag. I wouldn't imagine it could fit this much. But yeah, I got all my essential right here already. That is very impressive how much it could fit inside. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons. The pro of this bag first, I think this bag is a very stable piece. It is very durable. You all know Longchamp produce one of the most durable bag with affordable price. I have my Longchamp original for years and there is no problem. It's such a durable piece and one of my favorite bag for travel and for work, and I strongly believe this bag is going to be my perfect everyday bag as well. This bag can be easily matched with any of your outfits, and also the price is amazing. I got this bag for $85 and I think it's worth the price so much. You see how much it could fit inside this bag. You can throw anything. That is the best part. However, I see some downsides of this bag and I will show you what I don't like about it. So I will take everything out from my pouch first. This bag is actually very hard to stay still because of the top handle is a little heavier than the body of this bag, so it's always falls off. Another thing I wish they could have done is the strap. It would be so nice if they provide the strap. It's better to have more than one function, but yeah, overall I think this bag is amazing. I love this bag. It's such a durable piece with affordable price. So if you are interested in this bag, I highly recommend it and you definitely can go and check them out. That comes to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and find this helpful. If you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe for the familiar content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! See you!